Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Are you like me and as soon as the sun is shining, you just want to be out in it, soaking up every single ray that you can? Now, I was a little skeptical when I first tried this brush on block because I'd never used a powdered mineral sunscreen before. But I have to say that all of my fears were completely unwarranted because this brush on block works so well. I've used this on really hot days. We've had days that are in the upper 80s, and I've been outside working in the garden and sweating and just getting dirty and gross, and I didn't get burnt at all. I do reapply after a couple hours, especially if I've been sweating, but that's just how it is with any kind of sunblock. You simply untwist the bottom and then expose the brush at the top, and then you tap it on your palm to get the powder to come up into the brush. Now you can tell that it's ready to apply because you'll see a little bit of powder in the middle part of the brush, and then you simply apply it for 10 to 15 seconds over different sections of your skin. I liked to take my face into thirds so that I made sure that I covered every single area, and then of course I hit my décolletage, my hands, and whatever else was going to be exposed to the sunshine. I like that it has a slight tint to it, but it's a very neutral color. Other mineral sunscreens can leave you looking white or extremely pale because of the zinc, but this doesn't do that at all. I'm so pleased with this brush on block. I'm definitely going to keep using it because it works so well, and that's my point of view.